If you want to change your TikTok region, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok and make sure that you click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, click the three bars at the top right, and then click the last option, settings and privacy. And then what you're gonna do, click the second option on the first section, account. You're gonna be able right here to see the privacy settings. Go ahead to the location services and make sure that you set it on never, right? And if you want to turn it off, just go ahead and move along to open up your settings and make sure that you go to your TikTok from here, right? And then you're gonna go ahead to the location services or location section and then just set it on never. Now what you're gonna do, this is the special sauce, go back to the main settings, all right? Go to the general, and then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down to the language and region. Go ahead to the language and region. You don't have to do anything, just go ahead and select the region and change the location. Change your location and the TikTok algorithm will set it on that region's algorithm, right? So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.